passing through the Caribbean. About 30-mile-an-hour winds. We're expecting 12-foot seas in about 2 hours. So, my last video of outside before we get back home to Carnival tomorrow. Not too bad. It's windy, very cold. Good trip. Guess I'll go back inside now. I think they're going to shut the doors and put signs up with the wind advisory here in a minute. It appears that 2 doors have already busted. This one and the one on the other side are both cracked. I heard it happen about 10-15 minutes ago. I think it was the pressure from the wind. So I just saw a worker looking at me like, what are you doing, lady? Hey, I'm taking my crazy butt inside, but apparently raising both fists in the air and screaming adventure every time I see jumps is not acceptable to a lot of people. But you know, YOLO. You only live once. We are passing through the Caribbean. On the other side of the ship is the Grand Bahama Island. They said there might be a little bit of a delay. They want to shut the doors.